Hey, what's up guys? You're probably wondering what I'm doing on your YouTube screen right now, but I know that you've watched 1, 2, probably 5 of my commercials. Well, this is when I introduce myself to you. Thank you for watching our spots and being interested in buying any kind of storage and shelving space, according to Google. That's how I'm targeting you right now. But I want you to know, right now we're doing the Friends and Family promotion. It's gonna run through December. So if you've been hemming and hawing and thinking a little bit about maybe buying some kind of home storage, I would love for you to look up California Closets. I would love for you to take advantage of this deal that we have. 20% off all of your bars and shelves, which is like basically the whole thing. So if you're ready to move forward with your project at home, CaliforniaClosets.com. You can click the link down there. It might be up here if you're on mobile. Whichever one it is, just push it and you're gonna see me soon.